making magnetic slime today. I don't think none of you requested that, but just to prove if it's magnetic, I'm gonna go past this real quick because I was just trying to make a new one, but so I'm going to prove. Oh, and I'm gonna make the slime in here. So in these. So I'm going to prove you that this is real, and it's gonna help me prove if the the slime is actually magnetic. So sorry, I haven't been with you guys since last year when I was in 3rd grade, or 4th grade. But yeah, but I'm gonna start back with you guys. I was doing videos in 3rd grade a lot, but you guys are really good subscribers. But I think we can keep working on the subscribers. So make sure you like the video and subscribe, and tell this video about your friends. Once I get over 1 million likes, I'll be starting doing crazy slime videos, 3 a.m. requesters. So yeah, so let's see if this actually works. 3, 2, 1. Right. Okay, you guys, so let's see if it works. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yep, it sure does work. So you guys, it works perfectly fine. Yeah. So yeah, let's make this slime. So as if I haven't told you this slime is really simple to make. So all you're going to need is, wait, I'll get the. So you're going to only need a little bit. So I'm gonna add some of this and some of this. So you don't really need to do that much, but I'll just put this one away. So you just need to add this thing. And you don't need to add that much because I'm gonna put some water in it and a little bit of that thing, so you can just mix it with anything. Oh yeah, and the contacts lens solution could work too. So sanitizer so it can be more magnetic. Okay, you guys, so I've been mixing it for a while, and unfortunately it just turned blue a little bit, but it will turn back once you make your slime. So just a little tiny bit. Then put this away. Then you can start mixing it again. Oh yeah, and you guys, something crazy. So you only put a little bit in that, but then online it said it's gonna be bigger for some reason. So look, I want to try this challenge, but I only put a little bit. I don't know if you guys could really see it that good, because I'm literally using my tablet to record, so I don't know if it's gonna be working a lot, but we'll see. I hope you guys yeah. So I am going to. Oh, and so you guys need to put this in the freezer for 1 hour, and then let it sit for 2 days. So I'll see you guys after 2 days. Oh yeah, and wait, after 2 days, I am going to tell you that you need, just, wait, I don't really think you're gonna need your mixing thing after a while, but yeah, I'm going to put this in and we'll see what happens. So, yeah. Hey you guys, so it's morning now, and so I got the slime out of the freezer, and I let it cool for 20 minutes. I almost said 20 hours, but I let it cool for 20 minutes, so let's see how it revealed. Oh my god! This is so cool. It makes fart noises. I think. Oh my god. This is so cool, you guys. Oh, where did I put that? Man, oh, I think I put it. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Oh, just sticking to everything. So let's see if the magnetic slime works. I'm really worried about this. But let's make you a challenge. Let's see if you can subscribe in 15 seconds. And then I'm going to try the magnet on the slime. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, let's start that all over again. So let's see if you can subscribe and like the video in 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15! Are you subscribed to my channel? Did you like the video? Comment down below if you did, and I'll make another slime recipe. And if you comment down that you like to subscribe, and comment anything that you want, and I'll give you slime. But don't give me any bad comments, alright? So, oh, and let's see if this works. Okay. So, let's do this. Oh. Oh. It was moving. Oh. Oh, look at how far it went. Went that far. So, yep, this is magnetic slime. So, if you want magnetic slime, comment down below and just like the video, subscribe, comment down below that you did all that. And guess what? I know how many subscribers there are going to be. 1,000,000. If I get to 1,000,000 subscribers, I will do a house tour, which really isn't that much of a deal. And an outside tour where our backyard. Maybe I can show you my pool. So make sure you do all that and hit the like button. So I'll see you guys next week, I think. Sorry guys, I meant to say that I left it in the freezer yesterday, and then I put it in I let it sit for 2 days, and then I put it in the freezer for like 30 minutes again, and then I let it cool down, and then it turned into slime. So yeah, like and subscribe.